Oh my god, it's been on all night. What's the deal with car batteries and how horrible they are? I started looking at Optima batteries, going, hey, someone's like, oh yeah, get an Optima. Optima's better, yeah. 3-year warranty too. So why are you spending extra money when that shit's gonna die in 3 years too? And so is this shit for 94, 99, whatever, 96.99. How much it costs? 98.99 now. Probably 108.99 because the price of everything is going in the roof. If you have not noticed. Yeah, what a pile of shit. 12.4 volts. That's like all you get out of this thing, 620. Sure, it doesn't really go anywhere, but still, that shouldn't make a difference. You know, this has been ongoing since a long time. It doesn't go anywhere, but these new batteries just do not hold a charge. Look at the height of that car over there. You know what does that? You lift it up. So I was testing my bottle jack. My bottle jack was leaking. I fixed it without having to put any parts on it. Because that's what it's all about, fixing things without putting $1 into it. Using your mind, trying to rig it up, and I did. I just put a little RTV around the O-ring and it wasn't leaking anymore. But you see how that's hot? It'll stay like that for like a week, 2 weeks, unless you jar the suspension. When I used to do suspension work on this car, I would align it at Toyota. I would have to align it twice because I was dumb. I did notice that the car was set high after you lifted it up and let it down. It's just something with these cars. I don't know why. It takes forever for it to settle again. So I did that. Obviously it's going to throw off your alignment because the thing's sitting like 2 inches higher than what it usually did. But I used to align it. Didn't pick up on that. Drove it home. Drove it messed up. Second day, come back, align it. It was perfect. Another thing, I noticed a shop did that once. They spent like $80 and they kept doing screwed up alignments. Probably because they did the same thing. So what you do with these cars, tech tip, I told you you're not going to make Caprice videos. Everyone has these things that's like really, really dumb. Or they want stupid money for parts, like Chevy Mike over here wants $900 for an OptiSpark or $700 for a Reman OptiSpark, and you can get the same one for $300. Look at the yelling out here. Blasting radio, I'll get a copyright strike in my own home. I can't even make videos here anymore. It's just getting really bad. But anyway, what you do is you open the hood and you kind of jar down your radiator support or take the car out on the road. Look how loud this is. You hear this shit? In my own garage I'm hearing music. Condo land is done. I'm going to start up a car in a minute, but there you go, that's what you do. And I'm really, really aggravated what I'm hearing right now. This horrible place. I can't take it. Yeah, I'm just going to like stream stuff from now on. Whatever I record from my desktop is going to be the content. Hear this shit? Boomers with too much time on their hands.